Hello everyone, it's me. I got pork sausage in this pan, and I got butter and water heating up for my grits in this. Now I'm gonna give it to you real. I never was able to cook grits, but my friend told me um, something. I'm hoping I remember because it's dinner time, boys and girls. It is 8 o'clock, and I haven't had dinner yet. I actually only cooked one meal today, not cook, but heat up one of those meals. And this is my 8 o'clock meal. I don't go to bed till about 5 in the morning, so I'm thinking of making some really good pasta, maybe. And now I'm gonna put in a whole lot of onion. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this sausage, so I'm gonna just cook it. But I've been getting nauseous after I eat certain meats, so I've been putting a little distance between it. So there goes that. Mmm, the butter smells good. I mean the onions. I don't really want to season this with too much or nothing. I wanted to put some tomatoes in it, but since tomatoes cause inflammation, I'm going to lean off of that for a while. But maybe that pasta not coming. See the meat? This thing is so nice. It's crumbling up my meat. I need the meat a little smaller. It's smelling so good, boys and girls. I think my water's starting to boil, and the box said when it comes to a boil to put in a cup of grits. I wish I knew how to downsize the menu or whatever, you know what I'm trying to say, so I don't make a whole pot of grits that I daggone well know I'm not going to eat. But I think this is considered a boil. That's going to be a whole lot of grits, and guess what? It's a whole lot of sticking to the bottom of the pot. That's why I don't like these little nasty cheap pots. I need me a nice pot set. And you know what I said in my mind, right? I'm in need for a long time. I'm in need for a long time, boys and girls. This is looking real good. Whenever you have a chance to put a lot of onions in your pot, it will make your pot real happy, boys and girls. Look at that. Look at that. It's all in there. Oh, my stomach's getting nauseous already. I'm getting sick. I think I can count this as done. But since it is what it is, I'm going to leave it on the fire. Make sure it's cooked, because this is one of those things you can't really play with. Let me check this here. That's not done. Not yet. Oh, it's almost, yeah, I think that's done. Here's my grits. Yay! I wish I was able to save some and eat it later, but they look nice. I'm gonna let them sit for a few minutes to get a little bit thicker. And this is off now, and this is off. I fell asleep with the stove on a couple days ago. I've been having memory issues. So Din Din is ready, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.